Live? We are live? All right, so we are starting. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Welcome in SPS Germany 2024. We are back live from this biggest automation event. And for the very beginning, I have something special for you. I don't know if you know that gong sound. Oh yes, that means we are opening the show. And of course, we already did a few minutes ago, but today I want to take you to the tour. If you cannot join us physically, face-to-face, we want you to feel as a real visitor of our booth. And today we're going to do the tour, and we're going to talk with all our partners. This year we have 8 partners joining Advantech booth, showing their solutions, domains, and Advantech products that they are proposing to the market, and of course we do the same together. So let's go to our first partner. This is Topic. Hello.
Hello, good morning. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you.
Yes.
But you are the very first time in our booth, is it right?
That's correct. It's the first time that we're here as a partner of Advantech, and we are honored and proud to be that.
Great. Yeah. Good to have you. Tell us, what are you showing? What is your expertise that you are exposing this year on our booth?
Yes, we are an engineering company, and part of our engineering is that we make time more precise in distributed environments. And that's what we show here as well. We make the time distribution up to 1,000 times more accurate, helping you in getting more secure and more time accurate data collections.
And what are the actually numbers? I mean, what is the precision that we are talking about?
Sub-nanosecond accuracy on data acquisition and data transportation. That's approximately up to 50 picosecond accuracy that we get at the moment.
It sounds like a really fast, right? Isn't it?
It's a lot of times 50 picoseconds at the time that we talk, yes.
Okay. And what are your main, let's say, industries that you are working on?
Well, this technology is used, for example, in semiconductor, but also in the finance world, in the defense world, to get more accurate data and more security about the data.
All right. Perfect. Thank you so much. And if I see, I mean, everything is based on our hardware, right?
Yes. There's a lot based on your hardware. Sometimes it's your hardware combined with our hardware, like here. We have our own carrier board that we developed for an autonomous driving application. But there is an embedded module from you on board, because you don't develop something that's already there. That's how we reuse, and we integrate the technology inside Advantech products, so to get this technology running.
Thank you so much. Have a great show. Really good to have you on our booth.
Yes, thank you.
All right, we move to next partner. This is Network Optics.
Hi,
hello.
How you doing?
Very good, and you?
I'm doing well.
Okay, good start.
Good start, yeah.
It's your very first time on our booth, and I'm very curious, what is your part? I see a lot of cameras, so what is happening?
Well, we provide actually an entire software solution which we can run on any kind of Advantech devices, for example, and we can actually provide you with the necessary tools to create your very own AI models. So, for example, we can detect lots of detections, persons, vehicles, for example, bags, anything that we can actually support, or we can actually create an entire own solution. In this case, we're detecting some kinds of fruits, and then we are using the Advantech AIDA module to actually create a signalization to our LEDs. So if I remove this one of the LEDs should go out. So there it goes, and we only detect the orange one. If you remove this one, the orange one also goes away. So this is actually an entire custom-built AI model on which we can run up to the Advantech devices.
Yeah. I'm just thinking now, I am the father of 3. If I could have that system at home, my kids will never steal any chocolate from the storage. I mean, that's amazing.
Exactly.
Of course, this is just an example.
This is an example, yeah.
But this is great. I mean, that can save a lot of money for the companies, of course. And I see that also you can help with the coffee, right,
exactly.
as well.
Exactly,
That's perfect. All right. Well, but how many cameras are you using here right now?
We are currently using 3 cameras. So we're using 2 IP cameras and 1 Advantech built-in camera, actually. So an embedded camera into an Advantech module.
Right. So the core of the system is our product, but actually you can plug it anywhere, right?
You can plug it anywhere. Yeah, exactly.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Good to have you on our booth.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck with the show.
Okay, thanks.
And we move forward. Well, that will be great to have it at home. I mean, really, with the blinking red signal, chocolate's gone, chocolate's gone. All right. But we are here to talk with Orange Business, not about the chocolate anymore, but about the Orange Business. Good to have you again. Welcome on our booth this year.
Thank you, Greg.
So, what are you showing this year?
So this year we are showing that at Orange Business we are integrating solutions for our industrial customers. So it's hardware, software solutions, typically Advantech IoT gateways and sensors for an end-to-end digital transformation solution, for instance. But we're also supporting customers in OT networks and cybersecurity and all those domains, including data analytics and AI.
We all know Orange from telecommunication and that, let's say, data transfer, but you are also present in different areas of the industry. Could you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, typically, as I said, the data analytics and AI is a strong knowledge we have. Cloud computing as well. And all the IoT aspects is really also knowledge we acquired in the last year and we are deploying for our customers.
This is great that you as a big global player, you can work with the local companies, but actually also you can scale it up to other regions.
Yeah, that's the interesting part because we have a global geographical footprint and we're able to deploy the solution on a lot of on all the regions and in about 200 countries in the world because we have local technicians who can integrate the solution on customer premises.
Well, thank you so much for the overview. Good luck for the show. It's really good to have you again on our booth. Thanks. Yeah, that's the beauty of the ecosystem, that this is not only about companies which are local, German or maybe Italian, but also about the companies who are really global players. Cooperating with them helps you to grow your business. Well, but we have AMC this year again. Welcome. Good to have you on our booth. So what is up this year?
Yes, we are AMC. We are a system integrator from Advantech partner, premier partner since 30 years. Yes, very good.
Great history together.
Very great history and a good partnership with Advantech. It's very good. And yes, we are showing off our booth, our demonstrator.
All right, we can move here maybe.
Yes, our demonstrator with a WISE IoT from Advantech for scalable edge solutions, for condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, energy monitoring, environmental monitoring, whatever can you see. Yes, we can show with our demonstrator how can third-party manufacturers in WISE IoT bring in the data into WISE IoT. Yes, actually we have cloud solutions here, and for the future we are planning in on-premise solutions.
Perfect. And what is your, let's say, is there any preferred industry area that you feel stronger this year?
Industrial IPCs is our main focus in our company. It's a big focus for us, but measurement automation is very important.
Perfect. Okay, well, nowadays it's all about the data, of course, being on the cloud, being on the edge. So, well, good to have you guys. I mean, good luck with the show. That's great that you have additional, as you said, demonstrator. I like that word. Thank you for being with us again, and good luck with the show.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we move to another customer, but I'm not sure if this is possible. As you see, booth is already crowded a bit. All right, Thomas are you busy, Thomas, or we can come back if you want? No, you're right. All right, we have sales automation.
Yes.
It's a third year or fourth year?
It's a long time partnership already with Advantech. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, good to have you on our booth.
Thank you. Good to
What
have
are you
here.
presenting this year?
We're presenting we're positioning ourselves today and this year as a solution provider for Advantech. So we use the really nice product from Advantech, like the AMX 5580, AMX 5570, and other projects, and we use them directly to create perfect automation solution out of this. Everything is containerized, so it's virtualized in containers, and therefore it's really easy to enlarge the functionality of the controllers, and additionally have direct connectivity to the OT world via the EtherCAT backbone bus. So it's a really good fit, and this is why we are really looking forward for the next couple of months to have solution together with Advantech.
Perfect. You mentioned containerized,
Yes.
right? What does it actually mean? I mean, because I'm not sure if everybody. I mean, this is.
Yeah.
I know the term, but I'm thinking about our viewers. What is the advantage of having containerized data?
I mean, in the past it was quite not that easy to have additional software running directly on a PLC. Your PLCs are made for having software and hardware fitting together, and that's all. And you wasn't be able to have additional software, for example, databases, additional visualizations beside your PLC logic. And this changed heavily with Linux. And in this IPC, there's real-time Linux running, so it's real-time, and therefore we are able to put soft runtimes on this PLC. And if you have more than one, then you have to take care about how these PLCs and how the soft PLCs interact with each other. And then these kind of containers comes in place, because they're encapsulating the different application between each other, and they don't see each other inside the software system. And this enables us to have multiple runtimes on the device, an additional database running beside, so you can have edge functionality directly beside your PLC functionality, and this makes it really, really powerful and put a lot of features in for the customers inside the small box.
Well, great adventure and advantage.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for explaining. Good luck with the show.
Thank you.
Good to have you again on the booth.
Thank you.
All right, see you later. Well, we go to our next partner. I need to walk around a little bit. Cumulocity. Well, that's our new partner, very first time this year, is it right?
Yes, that's correct.
It's right. Well, welcome on our booth then officially again.
Thank you.
So, what are you showing this year on our stand?
So Cumulocity is the company name, but it's also the product name.
All right.
What Cumulocity does is it provides a holistic IoT platform to manage devices from all kinds of vendors in a unified view. And with Advantech we have the unique capability of a certified hardware device which integrates with no additional effort whatsoever within Cumulocity. So what that gives you is a unified view, like you see here, where you can see all of your device data, all of the key health points of your device. So you can visualize it, freely configurable, dashboarding, but it's not only unidirectional, so it doesn't only give you the data and show you the data, but it provides also the way back, and that's where we are strong.
Okay.
So if you look here you have the classic measurements and all of that good stuff, but where it becomes interesting also for compliance reasons, so for example, software bill of materials or Cyber Resilience Act, you need to know what software is running on your device. And with Cumulocity, we can deploy software on most Advantech devices, but we also know exactly what version of that software is currently running on it. And if there is a security vulnerability, for example, you can use Cumulocity to patch it.
Okay. Is there any limitations in terms of how big the platform, how many devices you can plug in?
The platform scales. It's a cloud-based system, so there is no limit on the number of devices. But it's also a hybrid approach. So for customers that prefer to have it locally on their shop floor, for example, we offer a thick edge that is a virtual machine or a Kubernetes-based deployment, which is then limited, of course, by the environment and by the infrastructure, but is completely local and running in an island mode, and can be then connected to the cloud, which then scales again horizontally.
Scaling, and again scaling. I mean, I think this is one of the keywords of our show so far. But well, That's really interesting. Good to have you on our show. Good luck with new customers and potential customers. Really good to have you. So thank you. Thank you for joining, and see you later.
See you.
All right, again, scaling and data, I think this comes to the first front. Well, we go to our next partner, Cantara. Welcome.
Hi.
First time in our booth, right?
First time at our booth, yeah. Had a few nice meetings already this morning.
Great,
Yeah.
great.
Perfect.
That's very
Yeah,
good.
really
So
like
what are you showing? And if you could give us a little overview about Cantara and Hilscher.
Sure. So we are Cantara and we have a partner booth with Hilscher together. So as you can see, the real-time control platform enabling smart production. So what does it mean? For sure, we have Advantech components, which are somehow hosting our software, which is real-time core, which is Cantara actually. And adding the capabilities and experience of Hilscher in the industrial field, like device management and containerized solutions, applications, and application management and stuff like that, we bring a one-to-one platform together, what we can provide to our customers.
Right.
So it really, you can customize it, and then you can really bring real-time tasks, non-real-time tasks, together with non-real-time applications and non-real-time protocols, yeah, or real-time protocols. And that's basically, we bring together hardware and software and provide a one-to-one solution to our customers. Yeah.
And
So
go ahead, because I see
Yeah.
something behind you, which
yeah,
is
exactly.
super interesting.
So it's just like some typical use cases. Yeah.
Right.
So in the industrial field, you have like robotics. Yeah. You have sensors, vibration sensors. Yeah. You have HMIs. It's now like an HMIs where you can just stop and start the robot. You can launch different kinds of scripts. Yeah. So we have now a script running over there for pick and place task basically. We have a database. It's now an influx database hosting all of those information, so that you as a data scientist you can just go in there. Yeah, it's really important. Yeah, those data is locked in silos, and you just need to somehow make it available. Yeah, we have things like we can use a typical back-off PLC to control those devices. Yeah, different kind of protocols. What else do we have? We have like a test operator panel. So basically, we can add testing applications to our system so that we can do virtual development and virtual commissioning and stuff like that. Yeah. So as you can see,
This is also virtual testing.
exactly, that's virtual testing basically. So what we can do is we have like a simulation model.
Right.
You need a simulation model, sure. Yeah. Simulation model, the test environment, and the connections to a PLC. So the control loop actually is the environment where you can do virtual testing, and then virtual development and virtual commissioning in there. Yeah. It's really important. Yeah, without changing any setup. You have one platform and you can use that one platform from the very beginning.
And then you can implement it.
Exactly, and then it's just like a configuration thing. Yeah, so we are open, scalable, modular, secure. Yeah, and basically we are really interested that different kind of components, applications come onto our marketplace.
Right.
So that we bring all of those technology together. Yeah.
Perfect. Well, definitely a great addition to our booth, especially with what you said, but we never had a robot arm on our booth. That's really something special. I hope next year, I hope that we can have the arm, but it will literally move something.
Exactly. Or interacting.
On interacting, yeah. I mean, that's already interacting enough for me. You know, I'm kind of afraid of coming closer. I don't know what this will do to me. Hope not. Nothing. I know it's secure, so don't worry. I'm just teasing. Well, thank you for being with us. Good luck with the show.
Thank you for having us.
And have a good day with your solution. Great platform. Let's go to the next partner. It's a very last one. Aldo is having a meeting. I need to check if they are available. You're available, or you have a meeting right now? We can do later. Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the beauty of the live. Unfortunately, there is a customer meeting of our partner, but we're going to show you this tomorrow. That's what I promised to them, and we're going to keep the promise definitely. Well, thank you for joining our live session today. I hope at least a little bit you have a sense of what Advantech is presenting this year together with partners. Tomorrow we're going to have another live stream at 11 o'clock, but tomorrow we're going to talk a little bit more with our executives about the 2025 vision, how market is changing, what are the key elements of the industrial puzzle right now, and how Advantech is putting all of them together. So please join us tomorrow for a few minutes and you will have additional information from us. Have a great day, and if you are here on booth on the SPS show, please join us, Hall 7, booth 370, that we are waiting for you. And if not, hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.